Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 6125M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has just under 1,100 hours on it. Comes with a John Deere H340 self-leveling quick attach front loader. The tractor has 125 horsepower. It does not require the BEF fluid. It's a very nice clean tractor. It does have the 4 work lights up front as well as the mirrors on the cab. Also has the belt line lights. It's got radial tires all the way around it. It's got the global style hookup for your bucket quick attach. Got a little bit of paint off the bucket from normal wear. A couple scratches up here. Front grill guard goes with the tractor. Leveling rod is there. Tires do show a couple small cuts in them. They do hold air just fine. It does have the Deluxe Multi-Coupler for your loader hose connection. 2 entry doors, corner post exhaust, 18-4-34 rear tires. Those are the Firestone Radial rear tires. It does have the PTO and 3-point switch on both rear fenders. Triple rear hydraulic outlets, 540 and 1000 PTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars on both sides. Rear work lights and rear wiper. Toolbox right here within easy reach. Inside the cab, see the steps are nice and straight. Inside the cab, the buddy seat is right here. You do have the air ride seat here for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Also have your clutch pedal, differential lock, individual brakes, and foot throttle down below. Deluxe loader joystick right here within easy reach. It does have the shift controls on the joystick so you can operate your transmission and your loader at the same time. Has the 24x24 transmission. It does have the 6 ranges and the 4-speed power shift in each range. That is the higher speed transmission in these tractors. Also have the toggle down below there for your 4-wheel drive, 3-point and hydraulic controls, as well as your PTO engagement right here beside the seat. Climate controls and light controls to the right. Up top you've got the radio, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Down below you've got the foot throttle. Again, very nice clean tractor. It also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.